Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace Lexus IS300 battery, only way. Gather a replacement battery, safety gloves, wrenches, and the vehicle manual before you start. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent shorts. Remove the hold-down clamp, swap batteries, reconnect terminals with negative last, and test electrical systems. I will guide you step by step so you feel confident and safe. In this section, I will explain the essential tools and safety steps you need. Use insulated wrenches, protective gloves, and safety glasses before touching the battery. Ensure the ignition is off and remove any jewelry to avoid arcing. Work in a well-ventilated area to disperse hydrogen gas. Have baking soda and water nearby to neutralize any acid spills. Following these precautions keeps you safe and prevents damage to the vehicle. In this section, I will explain each replacement step clearly and calmly. Open the hood and locate the battery, noting terminal orientation and any covers. Loosen the hold-down clamp and remove it, then disconnect the negative terminal followed by the positive. Lift out the old battery with both hands, install the new battery in the same orientation, secure the clamp, and reconnect the positive then negative terminal. Start the car and verify lights, radio, and engine functions work properly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.